Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be making Jamaican curry chicken with corn. This recipe was inspired by Jody's cooking. She makes authentic Jamaican recipes, so I really like this one with the corn, y'all. I loved it, so I decided to give it a try. But yeah, so let's check out my recipe. Alright, so let's get straight into it. I'm using chicken breast. I'm going to season it with salt, pepper, my green seasoning. I have a recipe for that. I'll link it below. And all-purpose seasoning. You want to mix this up and allow it to marinate just like this. You can use whatever part of the chicken, like I said. But I had breast today, so that's what I used. So to a big old skillet, pot, whatever, add some oil and butter. And we're going to burn the curry, quote unquote. So you want to add the curry to the pot, mix it up, and cook it out for about 2 to 3 minutes. This is what it looks like once you start mixing it up, and then we're just going to start adding the chicken right down on here. Alright, so these are my 2 ears of corn. I have pimento berries over there in a small ramekin. Then I have my fresh thyme and my onion and scallions. This right here is my frozen coconut milk. I used a big old can for another recipe, so I froze the other half. So I'm going to thaw it out and pour it right out into my pot. As you can see, my chicken is still white because I didn't touch it. I always tell you guys when I use this technique, don't touch it, leave it alone. So once you start mixing it up, of course, everything is like nice and yellow and ready to go. Add your coconut milk. Then you're going to add your corn. I chopped it up just like this. Your scallions, your onion, your fresh thyme. Mix that up. Cover it and allow it to continue cooking. After about another 15 minutes, this is what it looks like. Keep mixing it up. Just checking on it. You know, taste it for salt and pepper. If you want to add more spices, more herbs, this is your chance to try it and see if you like it. And this is what it looks like 10 minutes later, nice and done. The chicken is nice and tender, and the corn is nice and cooked. And what I love about this dish is the corn add a lot of flavor to the gravy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and I'll catch you on my next one. And thanks for the support and the shares and the love.